Hey up everyone, I've already recorded this but I realised I wasn't using the proper mic. I was actually using my fan mic and not my mic that I wear, a lavalier mic or something like that. But other than that, this is my keyboard and it has been since about May time, ever since I ruined my Corsair K95. But it is a Logitech G512 SE and it is a pretty good value keyboard. I believe it's one of the best value on the market, and I've got it in the UK layout because I'm from the UK. In terms of features, you've got a USB pass-through, which is nice. I use my USB pass-through for my webcam, so it's just easier than having to my cable management is pretty dire as it is, and I don't need it to be worse. But yeah, we've got RGB, which is customizable in the Logitech program, it has its problems, but it's not too bad. It's not as bad as Razer Synapse, which I believe is one of the worst. And we've got Logitech GX Blue switches, full mechanical, similar to a Cherry MX blue switch, and I think it's the Razer green or Razer orange. I think it's Razer green. So they're really clicky. I have got a typing test and I'll play that now. In terms of other features, aircraft grade aluminium, it's a marketing scheme at this point. It's just brushed aluminium. It's pretty solid construction, no problems there really. But yeah, here's the actual keyboard, and you can see a bit of wear and tear on there. It needs cleaning. See, there's a bit of like finger grease there and stuff like that, finger oils. But yeah, it's quite well lasting. It will put up with raging and stuff like that. So if you bang the keyboard like I do quite often, well, not too much anymore, I don't really play games like that, but yeah, it's quite good. It's a good keyboard. Got nice aluminium on the top, the bottom bit's plastic, it's okay, but the actual aluminium gives it a lot of structure. There's no deck flex, anything like that. It is a solid keyboard, and for the £60 I paid for it, I'm really happy with the price. Overall, quality wise, I would say it's a solid 9 out of 10. I've had no issues with it at all. Software can be a bit funny sometimes, like a few glitches, is a bit like not coming into the software properly, and I'm not being able to use the F keys, which I've noticed, and I've not uninstalled it, I've disabled the software and the F row started working again. And yeah, just a few glitches software side, but physically, for the price I paid for, which was about £60, not a problem at all. I've got no issues with it. Only thing you may want to consider is, if you're a streamer, maybe not get this keyboard. It is quite loud, as you've seen from the typing test. And if we go like this quickly, it is pretty loud. You can get O-rings for these, which just go onto the sort of the bottom of the keycaps like that, which do make it a bit quieter, but still, even with the click, it is still pretty loud. And we come to the conclusion, do I recommend it? And I would say yes, I do recommend it. If you can find it for around under 80 quid, because I paid 60 for this, but I believe it's gone back up to around £90, which I wouldn't pay that much for it. But if you can find it on a deal, I'd say go for it. It's a really good keyboard, really good quality, and there's absolutely no deck flex. The software has its troubles, but it's not too bad. And yeah, so do I recommend it? Yes, for the right price, of course. So yeah, that's all in this video. It's a bit of a shorter one, I believe, but yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you liked it even more, subscribe, and have a good day.